Simply put, a country's decision to acquire more military might be able to defend its territory better is that nation's prerogative. That's why the Defense Secretary immediately put China to its rightful place with his reaction to arguably the second most powerful nation's comment on the Philippines' plan to possibly purchase a mid-range missile system from the U.S. PTV's Patrick De Jesus has more.
China has expressed opposition to reports of the Philippines' plan to procure mid-range capability or Typhoon missile systems from the United States. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry, this fuels regional tensions, and they have appealed again for the removal of this missile system from the Philippines. This has been in the country since April and was used in various training exercises. It can launch Standard Missile 6 and Tomahawk land attack missiles with a range of up to 2,000 kilometers or more. However, Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro clarified that no final decision has been made regarding procurement of this equipment as of yet.
It's not a finality because there must be consent to sell. No? However, we are planning to have such kinds of capabilities. I'm not saying the Typhoon. I'm saying such kinds of capabilities.
Teodoro also responded to China's remarks.
I think the whole world knows who is on the right path and the wrong path. Definitely, we cannot take advice from people who distort the truth. And nobody believes them anyway.
Meanwhile, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the change of command ceremony for the Philippine Navy today. Rear Admiral Jose Maria Ambrosio Espeleta assumed the position of Flag Officer in command of the Navy, succeeding the retired Vice Admiral Toribio Adasi Jr.
I look forward to working with you, and I give you my full support as you build on your legacy.
The new FOIC vowed to continue the Navy's projects and modernization efforts, relying on newly enacted laws such as the Philippine Maritime Zones Act and the Philippine Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act, both signed by the President Friday last week. From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.